Welcome to Mechatronics Development Academy, MEDA. With integrity, we create and transform the world. Enroll for the best education and training this year 2022 with a safe learning procedure put in place for studies during this COVID-19 pandemic. Get the theory supported by extensive practicals only at MEDA with an outstanding performance. We offer metric rewrite in the following subjects: mathematics, mathematics literacy, physical science, life science, English first additional language and home language, history, business studies, economics, accounting, geography, computer application technology. We offer netted courses in electrical engineering, N1 to N6, mechanical engineering, N1 to N6, civil engineering, N1 to N6, information technology and communications from level 2 to level 6 qualification, which include end-user computing, telecommunications for customers, premises equipment, system development, electronics, system support, telecommunication systems, technical support, telecommunication network operation, business analysis support practice, business analysis. Mechatronics Development Academy, we offer artisan training for 18 months in electrical, electrician, mechanical, diesel and motor mechanic. We train to be artisan by giving trade text tax preparation, ARPL text preparation. We book for ARPL assessment and you pass with ease, followed by final testing with a serial number from NAP. ARPL preparation and assessment is offered for those who have experience already. We also offer basic and advanced electrical training, one-phase and three-phase wireman's license, COC unit standards, installation rules P1 and P2, solar panel training, programmable logic controller PLC training, level 1 and 2, work integrated learning P1 and P2, or engineering practice for university learners in mechanical and all electrical streams except clinical, assessor, moderator, and facilitator unit standards. Electrical engineering, study heavy or light current, then you get a national certificate. At the end of your studies, you can choose to get a trade test and be a certified electrical artisan or technician. For mechanical engineering, study motor or diesel mechanic or fitting and turning or boiler making, then you get a national certificate. At the end of your studies, you can choose to get a trade test and be a certified mechanical artisan or a mechanical technician in your specialty. For civil engineering, study plumbing or woodwork or quantity survey, then you get a national certificate. You can also choose to get a trade test in the stream and become a certified civil artisan or can become a technician. Becoming an artisan is by having any relevant certificate and a trade tech certificate or red seal in your specialty. Becoming a technician is by having a trade tech certificate and a national diploma in your specialty. With the above for electrical, you can become an electrical installation contractor by having a wireman's license, either one phase or three phase. With one phase, you can get to certify a single phase domestic environment. With a three phase, you can certify a single and three phase domestic and industrial environment. Special of the month. Enroll for artisan training and get for free any natal level you qualify for. Register now till month end and get a 10% discount for any other course. MEDA works. We do electrical maintenance, computer maintenance, hardware and software, web development, new electrical installation, maintenance of existing electrical installations, issuing of COC of new or existing installation, solar panel repairs and installations, petrol and diesel vehicle repairs or maintenance. For foreign national interest, when you study any of the above and become a technician, you can, for example, in electrical field, do a wireman's license course and you get registered with the Department of Labor as an electrical installation contractor. Same applies to other fields. You choose your profession you fall in on the government cassette. Then you can use this document to apply for critical skills permits. Contact Mechatronics Development Academy on 012-023-3505 or WhatsApp us on 061-541-1283. Our website is www.mechatronicsdevacademy.co.za. Email us on info@mechatronicsdevacademy.co.za. Our Facebook handle is Mechatronics Development Academy. You can also walk in at our campus, 267 Didra Street, Pretoria Central. Thank you.